Today, we're going over the best Dremel tool from our top picks: speed, compact design, durable motors, and wide accessory compatibility for consistent professional results. All product links are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Dremel 4300. The Dremel 4300 stands out as a premium rotary toolkit designed for users who demand power, precision, and versatility in one package. Powered by Dremel's most advanced high-performance motor, this tool delivers consistent strength even during demanding applications like cutting metal, grinding hard surfaces, or extended carving sessions. The wide variable speed range of 5,000 to 35,000 RPM allows users to fine-tune performance for delicate detailing or aggressive material removal, while electronic feedback ensures stable speed under load. One of the biggest advantages of the Dremel 4300 is its universal 3-jaw chuck, which eliminates the hassle of collets and allows compatibility with all Dremel accessory shank sizes. This feature alone significantly improves workflow efficiency. The built-in pivot light is another thoughtful addition, rotating to illuminate hard-to-reach areas and improving accuracy during precision tasks. Heat management is handled exceptionally well, thanks to the innovative airflow system, keeping the tool cooler, quieter, and smoother even during long projects. The kit includes multiple attachments, a generous selection of accessories, and a durable storage bag, making it an excellent value for professionals and serious DIYers alike. Number 2. Dremel Engraving. The Dremel Engraving Kit, built around the Dremel 4300 rotary tool, is a powerhouse option for creators who want maximum versatility straight out of the box. Designed to handle everything from engraving and carving to sanding, cutting, and polishing, this kit truly lives up to its endless possibilities claim. At its core is Dremel's most powerful motor, delivering strong, consistent performance across a wide range of applications. The variable speed control from 5,000 to 35,000 RPM, paired with electronic feedback, ensures precise control whether you're etching fine designs or grinding tougher materials. This kit shines in its included accessories, offering 64 genuine Dremel attachments that cover nearly every common rotary task, reducing the need for additional purchases. The universal keyless chuck is a major convenience feature, allowing fast accessory changes without tools while maintaining compatibility with the entire Dremel accessory line. Comfort is also well addressed with a slim, ergonomic body that provides a secure grip during extended use. The pivot light further enhances visibility in tight or detailed workspaces, improving accuracy and reducing eye strain. With 9 attachments included alongside the tool and accessories, this kit is especially appealing to hobbyists, artists, woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts who want a complete setup.
Number 3. Dremel 8150. The Dremel 8150 is a modern, cordless rotary tool built for precision, portability, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for light to medium-duty tasks. Its pencil-like grip design provides exceptional comfort and control, especially for detailed work, such as engraving, polishing, sanding, and fine cutting. Unlike traditional corded models, the compact size of the Dremel 8150 allows it to fit easily into a toolbox, drawer, or small workspace, making it ideal for users who value mobility. One of its most practical features is USB-C charging, which adds flexibility by allowing the tool to be charged using common chargers or power banks. The built-in LED light clearly illuminates the work area, improving precision when working in dim or tight spaces. With a variable speed range of 5,000 to 30,000 RPM, the tool offers enough flexibility to handle a wide variety of materials without overwhelming beginners. Despite its compact design, the Dremel 8150 remains fully compatible with all Dremel rotary tool accessories and attachments, ensuring long-term versatility. Number 4. Dremel 4000. The Dremel 4000 is a proven high-performance rotary tool that balances power, durability, and sustainability. Featuring a robust 1.6 amp motor, it delivers up to 33% more power than the Dremel 3100, ensuring strong performance across its full speed range of 5,000 to 35,000 RPM. This makes it suitable for demanding applications such as cutting, grinding, carving, and sharpening. The electronic speed control maintains consistent RPM even under heavy load, while the innovative airflow system prevents excessive heat buildup for smoother and quieter operation. Ergonomics are a key strength of the Dremel 4000, with a sleek, corded design and 360-degree grip zone that enhances comfort and control during long working sessions. A notable aspect of this model is its sustainability focus, using more than 55% recycled plastic in the housing and eco-friendly packaging to reduce environmental impact. This makes it appealing to environmentally conscious users without compromising performance. The tool's versatility allows it to handle a wide range of DIY, craft, and professional tasks with ease. Overall, the Dremel 4000 remains a reliable and well-rounded rotary tool, ideal for users who want long-term durability, consistent power, and a thoughtfully designed tool.
Number 5. Dremel MM35. The Dremel MM35 is a powerful oscillating multi-tool designed for heavy-duty cutting, sanding, and remodeling tasks. Equipped with a strong 3.5 amp motor, it easily handles tough applications such as cutting wood, metal, drywall, and removing old paint or grout. Unlike rotary tools, the MM35 uses an oscillating motion with a wide 3.2-degree oscillation angle, allowing for faster, cleaner, and more precise cuts. One of its standout features is the tool-less accessory chain system, which enables quick and secure blade changes without the need for a wrench, saving valuable time on the job. Variable speed control allows users to adjust performance based on material and application, while the ergonomically optimized soft grip provides excellent comfort and control during extended use. The durable 7-foot rubber cord offers ample working range without frequent repositioning. Included accessories such as a bimetal flush cut blade, sanding pads, backer pad, and storage bag make this tool ready to use right out of the box. That wraps up the top 5 best Dremel tool. Like, subscribe to The Ultimate Review, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time.